What is your favorite song?
Depends. I like any music. For example, My Way.
My Way.
Yeah.
My Way, Killing Me Softly og Wonderful World. Kendte klassikere har fundet vej til Aarhus Midtby, men de spilles ofte på alternative, eksotiske instrumenter.
It's my instrument from Budapest. It's cymbalum. It's similar piano. It's traditional Hungarian instrument.
Darius fra Rumænien sender dagligt de blide toner ud over Clemensbro. Mange danskere er flinke til at give penge, men det er ikke derfor Darius spiller.
Something tell me I'm a good musician, but depend. You working for the money is not good. You play for yourself. You like your music after the money coming, sure.